Why is my T-Mobile home internet not working? Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you why your T-Mobile home internet might not be working and how to fix it quickly. If your T-Mobile home internet suddenly stops working, it's usually caused by issues like weak 5G signal, network outages, router misconfiguration, or device interference. You might notice no connection, extremely slow speeds, or frequent disconnections. Don't worry, I'll guide you through the main reasons this happens and show simple steps to get your internet back online fast. Now, let's tackle the problem. Method 1. Check for network outages. Start by visiting T-Mobile's network status page or the app. Sometimes outages in your area can prevent your home internet from working. Even if your router looks fine, a local outage can completely block connectivity. Method 2. Restart your 5G gateway. Unplug the power cord from your T-Mobile gateway, wait 10 to 15 seconds, then plug it back in. Restarting often fixes minor software or connection issues. Method 3. Reposition the gateway. Move your gateway to a more central location near a window. Avoid corners, thick walls, or metal objects that can block the 5G signal. Method 4. Reduce interference from other devices. Keep the gateway away from microwaves, cordless phones, or other electronics. Interference can slow down or block the internet. Method 5. Check device settings. Make sure your connected devices aren't on airplane mode or using limited connectivity settings. Update Wi-Fi drivers on PCs or restart devices for a clean connection. Method 6. Update firmware and gateway settings. Log into the T-Mobile Gateway dashboard and check for firmware updates. Ensure the 5G band is selected and any speed optimization features are enabled. Sometimes a firmware update is all it takes to restore stable internet. And that's it. Your T-Mobile home internet should now be working normally. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes.